Only Bataka me. But Jayden0us, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden0us. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden0us. And yes, we are bringing one another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the vlog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, 2 videos on the way we want to look out for. Little Vybz and Little Addy. Yes, these 2 music videos filmed on location at one of, you know what I mean, the official Gaza HQs. Now I'm gonna disclose no more about the location, but the music video, viewers and subscribers, definitely something we want to look out for. Now also available on all major platforms, and you can go check out the official music video feed right now. Big up the VP Sicker Rhymes, and of course big up Vybz Kartel, the dancehall king. Now the song we are talking about, Champagne Campaign, viewers and subscribers, and just the title alone have both the party in power and the opposition worried. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel has made it clear that these officials who have not supported dancehall music to its fullest should not now on the campaign trail be allowed to use dancehall music to publicize them fame and act like they are supportive of the culture and of what the people are about. Now, viewers and subscribers, sincere send a dub to Lisa Anna. No, something go. Mama go say I work, she work. Collect your coins, you know it go. But that's why I'm for big up Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers. And this is why this is the only artist who we could have considered the king. Vybz Kartel is standing up not only for the people, but for something beloved by the people, which is our dancehall music. And these people have not supported our dancehall music, neither our culture. Remember, they never support Bob Marley and the Rasta movement until Europe starts a Rasta and then put Bob Marley on the t-shirt, them and almost put him as the face of tourism till people criticize them. Before the legalization of the substance, people say, yo, look on the picture with Bob. How now say the face of tourism, but when the white people them forward out and them ask for a sticker area, I tell them, say, oi, watch yourself, you might find yourself behind the bars. And them change certain laws, and I see you can have a certain portion. Now Vybz Kartel point it out, so watch you know, the same dancehall music where them put on the back burner. Yeah, we they've not gonna say why, because that is where them put dancehall music. See it, I them want to use on the campaign trail now, because what the youth are into dancehall music. Now here's also another statement. The DPP viewers and subscribers. Well, the senior deputy and his statements or his opposition of the move. Tell you this, first and foremost, the statement is official. The teacher say him can bet on it. The Privy Council international law is not say different from local law, but I will say this: they are as a people and as a justice system more advanced, and them knows the speculation over the years have led to lots of individuals being sent to a place that was not for them, and they have adopted a way of how you look at situations and saying, what you know, you have to work with the laws that govern your land, and if the evidence is not there, regardless of what your prosecution thinks and what your gut feeling is, you have to work with the law. You have to work with the law. Now, they might try to hold up the appeal, but Bird Samuels has stated that there are still ways that they can take the matter directly to the Privy Council. And if them continue with this hold-up measure, it would be reasons for them to take it directly to the Privy Council. So at this point in time, it is clear that because what is about to take place next month has a lot of bearings on what is taking place now. They like to use these major situations as pawns. Maybe somebody will speak about it on the campaign trail. Maybe not. Maybe they just use it as a thought in the minds of their constituents. And they will say it and maybe not on film. Because you know not every party stop on the campaign trail is filmed. Some of them filmed, some of them not so much. You know what I mean? So, with that being said, viewers and subscribers, yeah, the track. Make we talk about the music. Let's talk about the music for a bit. You know Gaza thing. You know what I mean? Artistic expression with cinematic visuals. You know what I mean? I like the vibe of the track. The fact say, yo, and I like a one verse for Vybz Kartel, one verse for Sika. It was almost like the verse chop up and Sika part was added, like finishing the sentence after the sentence said before. It's a good vibe. Definitely a good vibe, and the video very entertaining. Can you afford it? Simple question. Can you afford it? Well, don't carry her shopping. Don't carry her shopping if you cannot afford it. But a fella skinny bag dream same that lace up her ear, make up her face and her nails to go paint. You have to can afford it. The music video is very entertaining while at the same time keeping it authentically dancehall, but giving visuals that even fans overseas can appreciate. Because our fans overseas are now, well, not fans overseas. All fans who are watching music videos on the platform currently are seeing music videos from all over the world. And they are seeing the camera quality, they are seeing the director's vision, they are seeing the visuals. So it have captivating to the point where international audiences are also captivated because them love the culture. It's not necessarily about the big buildings and the Mercedes Benz. They just like to see the cultural dancing and the landscape, and for just see the artist and see the vibe. Remember, dancehall music is a vibe. Big up Vybz Kartel once more again. Yes, dancehall music is a vibe. So certain from the music video is cinematic, the quality is there, and the vibe is being captured and delivered to you via that music video. Then people like the energy, and that is all we can say about this music video. The champagne campaign it has started. We are now currently on the champagne campaign trail. Yes, the track, yeah, we like the vibe. Teacher still a deliver for dancehall music, still a stand up, still a so make the moves where people refuse to make. In the dancehall music, we feel like people are too afraid to either offend or make music or make statements that they believe in. People like to make statements, especially in the current settings, that are politically correct. Meaning, say, when you make a statement, you're not trying to offend nobody. So really and truly, when you have these measures in mind, where you say, alright, I'm not going to say this because then people are going to like it. Then you're not, one, speaking from the heart, and separating apart from that. Your statement is not, say, irrelevant, because from your say it, your statement is relevant to you, but at the same time, it's not that meaningful because all of the things that you wanted to say has been removed. And now you actually say what people want. You assume people want to hear you say, which is majority of the time things already said. So you basically repeat a statement or you echo a sentiment. So you just say, yo, do what means well for you, and don't just look on the quick cabbage right now. Because I know in a matter of days or months, statements where same Lisa are gonna make are gonna be things where either might not even affect your career, but things where shine some light on her career and her endeavors as an artist. Just find it ironic. By the one called Jayden0us, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but you like the reason, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and the bell icon right up there and put it on all, and this is how you know you'll be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you. Yeah, man. Like icon the already, share icon the close by, close proximity. Share the vlog, both a share on the vlog. Tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them to check out the vlog. Check out the reasoning viewers and subscribers. Yeah, remember no, man. Comment section open 24/7. Drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. Yes, just be respectful on the guidelines, but you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions right there. So, yeah, man, now move settings for my need a ladder. You know the sentiments for you and yours, and for those who don't, live, love, and prosper until reason again.